Hi everybody, today we are going to learn about how to model this complex Y shape in IDEA Statica. So let us start. At first open your IDEA Statica and open your connection design. And then new model, just create a project. So now let us first add a member because we have three members, B, B1 and B2. So we need to add a member first. Member I would love to keep HEA 300. So I will just copy these members M1, M2, M3. So M1, let us do some dimensioning with this member. So let us offset EX by minus 200 and let us go to M2 and then let us change the alignment of this position by minus 150 and offset EX by 275 and let us go to M3 and then do the alignment by 150 and then offset by 275. Now our model looks like this. Yeah, so after this we need to add some operation element like this. This is our splice member on the both side of the flange. So for that we have to go to operation member and then this one, splice. So bolt assembly 8.8, I'm using M20 bolt. Okay, so it looks like this, but this is not the actual structure. It should look like this. So let us do some modification on this splice plate. So here thickness, it doesn't matter. So you can choose the thickness depending upon your requirement. So for me, I am just gonna do some modification for this one. Dimension for this splice 300, 325, and then offset on X 250, and on the other side it's gonna be 250. And then let us work through the bolts. These are quite apart from each other and near to the edge plate, which is not good. So let us keep this minus 65 by 130, and then here let us do 35 by 50 times 4. So 1 2 3 4 5, and this one is a 35 distance from here, from this edge it is 35, and then 50 50 50. So after that we need to add bolts on this one, this one. So how we can do is, at first we need to change the geometry of the thing. So for that we can go to editor and then let us choose bevel and let us add two bevel. For the first one let us add 490 by 250 and on selected corner 3. On the second one let us do, it should be opposite of this one, so let us just do 250 by 490 and the selected corner should be 4. Now it looks like this, and we have to make a corner rounding on this side. So let us just choose rounding and the value of, let us take 100 and selected corner 1 and 2. 1 space 2, and then it will automatically select this one. Okay. Now we can see our splice plate look like this. After that, we need to add another splice member, and this time it's gonna be M to top flange, M to top flange like this, and then connected to, not new plate but connected to existing plate. If we do existing plate, then it will be connected directly to the existing plate. So if we just remove this one, then we can do some changes on the bolts. So let us do on transverse -65 space 130, and on longitudinal let us do 35 space 50 times 4. So grid, now we can see this one, this bolt is here. So let us change the grid and change it to staggering. So if we do first stagger, then we can see like this, and this is what we wanted. And then let us do the shear transfer in as per the bearing member, and again we can add copy. So this time it's gonna be M3 top flange, and everything will be same. After that, let us do the same thing on the bottom one. So let us just copy. It is just about copy paste, and then copy. So for SPL5, let us choose bottom flange. So we add like the splice plate like this, and then everything is same. And then for SP5, let us choose M2 bottom flange, and here we can see our bolt is showing like this, which is not correct. So the plate, it should be as before. If you change this one, then it will change automatically like this. And for this one, let us just go there and then M3 bottom flange and change the plate to 4. So by this way we can easily uh, calculate or easily made a geometrical shape of Y-shaped complex structure, and after that you can add your load effect and do the analysis accordingly.